Hey guys, what's up? I decided to start a little mini series called Fragrance of the Week, where every week I will talk about one singular fragrance that I was really enjoying that week or that I enjoy in general and just share with you guys. And that way you guys also had more product information and more of my personal opinion on things that I enjoy that maybe you'll enjoy. So that is my hope, that someone will find a fragrance that they enjoy. Let's get into this week's fragrance, which is from Guerlain. It is called Insolence Eau de Toilette. Please forgive my accent. I do not speak French and I'm trying though. Usually I do eau de parfum strictly because eau de parfum generally is a little more intense. There is usually a higher oil content, which means that it is longer lasting, and it's generally, in my personal opinion, eau de parfums are a little more complex. But the eau de toilette of Insolence is so yummy. It is a violet-based fragrance, so it's like violet, a little bit of berry, there is some sweetness, and violet, if you're wondering what it smells like, it is powdery, which is crazy because I'm someone who hates the smell of baby powder, like especially in fragrances. Anything that's super powdery makes me feel nauseated, but something about this, it almost smells like Nico candy. Do you guys remember those Nico hard candies? It smells like a hard violet candy. It is eau de toilette, so I go a little ham and I just douse my clothing in it. Clothing is the best way to wear fragrances because A, you're not aging your skin with the alcohol, but also B, you're gonna get more longevity if you spray your clothes versus your skin for a lot of fragrances. It is light, it is sweet, it is a little musky, it is a little powdery, it's a little creamy. Like if she was a person, she is feminine and your girl next door, and she bakes and she gets straight A's, and you know, she just kind of does it all, but she just laughs and does it all. You know, that's the kind of fragrance this is like. Everyone likes her. I don't own anything like this and I haven't smelled anything like this either. She is not me, just for the record. This is solely descriptions for the fragrances. I do that all the time where I'll smell a fragrance and I'll be like, oh my God, so-and-so would wear this so well, or this reminds me of this celebrity or this person in my life. So when I do that, just know that I'm not talking about myself. Like, did I get straight A's maybe in high school? Then I went to college. Let's not talk about that. Sorry, mom and dad. The bottle is also so pretty. It's like frosted glass with bees all over it. It's just a great fragrance, and especially for summertime, it's great. And I think it would be actually really nice to layer with deeper fragrances or vanilla for like evening time if you want something a little sexier, because to me that's not on its own like a very sexy fragrance. Like that's a feminine, light, playful fragrance. I hope you guys enjoy this series. I'm really excited to do it, and I have tons of perfumes to share with you guys too, so we'll just keep the ball rolling. Leave a comment down below for me and let me know what your current favorite fragrance is, or what your all-time favorite is, because I have a wish list of perfumes that's probably running like 75 names deep, okay? The addiction is real, and I'm not stopping anytime soon because it makes me really happy, but makes my wallet very not happy. Moving right along, thank you as always so much for tuning in, guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!